Hello, children. Today we will discuss about a new chapter that is respiration in organisms. What is basically respiration? The process of releasing energy from the food is known as respiration. So, the process of respiration is just the reverse of photosynthesis. Why we say so? Because in respiration, oxygen is used and oxygen gets burnt up and energy is being released, whereas in photosynthesis, it is carbon dioxide that is being used for the process. See, children, here we are having two diagrams. The first shows the respiration that is taking place in lungs, and the second picture is that of photosynthesis. Now, let us find out the basic difference between breathing and respiration, children. Breathing is a physical process involving exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, whereas respiration is a biochemical process of releasing energy from food. In breathing, energy is not released, but in respiration, energy is released. In breathing, it takes place outside the cells, but in respiration, the process of respiration takes place within the cells. In breathing, enzymes are not involved, but in respiration, the respiratory enzymes are involved. Now, children, there are two types of respiration. They are aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration is the respiration which takes place in the presence of oxygen. That is aerobic respiration. Whereas anaerobic respiration is the respiration which takes place in the absence of oxygen. That is anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, glucose in the presence of oxygen gets broken down into carbon dioxide, water, and energy is released. Whereas in anaerobic respiration, glucose in the absence of oxygen or in no oxygen gives rise to alcohol plus carbon dioxide and energy is being released. In aerobic respiration, children, it takes place in the presence of oxygen, whereas in anaerobic, it takes place in absence of oxygen. In aerobic respiration, complete oxidation of glucose takes place, whereas in anaerobic respiration, the glucose molecule is incompletely oxidized. In aerobic respiration, the end products are carbon dioxide and water, whereas in anaerobic respiration, end products are either ethyl alcohol or lactic acid and carbon dioxide. In aerobic respiration, lot of energy is liberated, near about 38 ATP, and ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Whereas in anaerobic respiration, relatively small amount of energy is liberated, nearly about 2 ATP. In aerobic respiration, it occurs in plants and animal cells, whereas in anaerobic respiration, it occurs in many anaerobic bacteria and human muscle cells. Now, let us come to breathing, children. What is breathing? Breathing is the process of inhalation and exhalation. What is inhalation? Inhalation is the process of taking the air that contains oxygen inside the body, whereas exhalation is the process of releasing out air that contains carbon dioxide out of the body. Breathing rate can be defined as the number of times a person breathes in a minute. A breath can be defined as an inhalation followed by an exhalation. The breathing rate is not always constant in human beings. An average adult human being breathes 15 to 18 times in a minute. While exercising, this rate can change up to 25 times a minute. This is all about the first module of respiration in organisms, children. Thank you.